All right, guys, so we are touring Studio City today. You know, as real estate agents, we like to get out and broker caravan. And here in the valley, we caravan Tuesdays and Fridays. So today's Tuesday, and we're out on broker caravan. Wanted to give you guys a ride along with us to kind of see what we're doing and get used to looking at the valley. Today we are looking at Studio City, so I'll point out some things as we go along, but we're going to look at different parts of the valley, and I'd love to share all the insights with you and hopefully some really cool houses as we go along. So this is Moore Park, and it's a great little park. You'll see they do a farmer's market and they do a lot of dog events over here as well. We're kind of in the heart of Studio City right now. For the most part, this is going to be considered the flats of Studio City. All right, so here is Colfax and Moore Park. This is start of what we call the Colfax Meadows. This is going to be the flats of Studio City again, but one of the real desirable areas. A lot of celebrities live in this area right in here, and we're actually going to be seeing one of the properties today in this area of Colfax Meadows. Making a right-hand turn onto Hunga, and this is going to be a great little mecca in Studio City, where you've got Aroma Cafe, you've got a lot of great little shops, and walkability is super high right here. If you're looking for Studio City, you've got Patello's right here, and just, man, this is a hot spot. Right, so now we're in the little suburb streets here of Colfax Meadows, Valley Spring, really hot little street to be on. Alright, so we are at one of our first houses here in Studio City. We are at the far east tip of Studio City in a nice quiet cul-de-sac. This property here, what is the price on this one, Matt?
This one is 2.399.
So it's a little about 2.3 right now. We'll go take a look and see what two and a half million gets you in Studio City. Yeah. Great little ranch style house. Come on in, let's go take a look. Hello, broker.
How are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm Tom.
Taylor.
Taylor, nice to meet you. Right, so one of the major advantages of this house are showing has got to be the size of this lot. You guys, you don't see this lot very often, but take a look at this terrace size lot here.
Wow, it's big, yeah.
What do you think, Matt?
Yeah, no, it's definitely big. Oh, and there's a pool. I didn't see the pool. Cool.
Yeah, so if you take a look here, this is actually what you're going to call a double lot. And let's go take a look at the pool area. So one of the cool things about this house is the garage has been converted to an ADU. Or actually more like a cabana pool area.
Not bad.
All right, so we are going to be leaving this house here, and we're going to work our way to another property here in the flats of Studio City, more towards what I would say the northwest part of Studio City. Still consider the flats of the area, but I want to run you by a couple of really cool streets that I saw here that I want to share with you guys. All right, so one of the great things about Studio City is the diversity of the construction. So I wanted to point out these houses over here that are probably originally built homes and the style of them. And then right across the street, if you look over here, is a new modern. So this area is really highly desirable for investors to come in here. They will actually scrape one of these homes and they'll put one of these beautiful moderns in here. And I think that's what makes Studio City such a great area, is that if you're looking for something old and classic and charming, it's right here. But if you're looking for something cool and modern, you just got to walk across the street. Alright, so we are back on Moore Park, heading westbound, getting ready to cross Whitsett, and we're at another little popular intersection here where you've got just one of probably the best coffee joints out here, and this is called Coffee Fix. And a lot of people will walk from their homes and kind of hang out right here at Coffee Fix. And then up the street here we have Beeman Park, which is a real popular local park for everybody goes, brings their dogs, and great afternoons out here. Coldwater Canyon, and this M&M market is known for their barbecue meats. Definitely a staple here in Studio City, and Coldwater Canyon goes all the way from Studio City all the way into Beverly Hills. And check out the next house.
All right, so right now, we just transitioned over here into Sherman Oaks. Behind us is, we're on Van Noord. It's 5 beds, 6 baths, a little over 3,000 square feet, and it's $3.7 million.
One of the great things about this area here you'll see is these wonderful tree-lined streets and no sidewalks. Very popular. Let's go take a look. Good to see you, man. Good, buddy. Good. What's going on with you? Love it. Love it.
Definitely more of a new modern taste for this remodel. Super nice. See a lot of the clean lines, clean finishes.
So I'm in the backyard of this amazing house, beautiful pool, great detached accessory dwelling here. Garage has been converted to a little gym place here. Great property. The other one's more like storage. But it's beautiful, yeah? All right, let's go to number 3. All right, that concludes the tour of this house, but I want to point out one of the things that's unique here about this property is this circular driveway. So for Studio City, this would be considered a double lot, and to actually get a circular driveway on a property is a big bonus. Let's keep going. We are here on the corner of Ventura and Coldwater Canyon, where they just revitalized the Sportsman's Lodge. You've now got a brand new Erewhon here, Equinox, and a lot of great artisan shops in here. This is going to be one of the staple locations for Studio City. Coldwater Canyon actually runs all the way through into Beverly Hills and all the way up into the north part of the San Fernando Valley. So this is one of the major arteries, and you guys get a great car view of this location here. So take a look. You've got Ralph's. You've got some great shopping here, and this is probably one of the heartbeats of Studio City, and all the walkability that you get from Ventura Boulevard you will kind of see right now as we're driving to the next house. On the Pins Bowling Alley, they just revitalized this as well, but Pins is going to be a great place to catch a local celebrity in their natural habitat, I would say. Denny's Deli right up here on the left, been here probably 50 years. And if you're looking for some really great pizza deli staple of Studio City, and a great little healthy spot here for pets. Alright, so now we are heading south of Ventura Boulevard, up Laurel Canyon. Up to the left are going to be the Donnas. They call it the Donnas because all the streets start with Donna. It's going to be Fryman Canyon. If you get here early on a Saturday, you get a nice, great walk up here into the canyons and views. You don't want to miss Fryman Canyon if you're in Studio City. This is going to be the hills of Studio City. You can see that there are no sidewalks up here, kind of one-lane roads, nice and woodsy. Definitely celebrity style properties in this area. Alright, so what does $6 million get us in Studio City south of the boulevard in the woods up here?
Right, so behind us it's a 4-bed, 4-bath. It's 4,600 square foot, but it does sit on about a 46,000 square foot lot.
About an acre.
About an acre. It's under $6 million. So.
And we got a nice long driveway that'll take us back there, so let's go take a peek. Alright, so one of the traditions that you do as a real estate agent when you get to the front door is you'll normally knock and you'll say, "Broker." So let's see how this works. Broker.
Alright, so that wraps it up for today's video. Hey, we really appreciate you taking the tour with us. If you have any real estate questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.